Hi folks, here today to give you a demo of the new and improved AI rewrite tool within Carrot. We've made a lot of improvements to this feature. It's actually kind of a full new version of this that is using all of the latest AI models, and it has been expanded significantly in its functionality. Previously, you were only able to rewrite a little bit at a time on your site, and so we've expanded that to be able to do large sections or even full pages at a time. We've added more personalization options into the rewrite. So previously it was rewriting simply for uniqueness, changing the wording and things like that. So it still does that, but if you add in your business description, then we'll personalize the results based on your business. And then we've got new kind of presets for rewriting for various things like fixing spelling and grammar, improving the writing, etc. So let me give you a little tour of how you're going to use this. So there's two different ways that you can get to it from within the editor. The first is if you're in a paragraph or a heading or something like that, or you have like a selection like this, then you're going to be able to select this AI button here, and you'll see that there are several options. Your default is going to be the personalized, so this is going to be probably the most useful in terms of getting your site content into really great shape, and I'll speak more about that in a minute, but you can also choose these additional options here. The other way that you can get to this is with the AI button up here, which opens a toolbar, which gives you similar options and a little bit more context for you. So the first thing you'll notice is it says, we use your business description to enhance the rewrite. This can be edited in settings. And so particularly for the personalized rewrite option, and as well as some other ones we'll be adding in the future, this is a really important thing. And the way that this works is within your site settings, you can add in a business description. We give you some guidance in this article on how to write a great business description, but basically this is used to send to the AI model so that when it creates new content for you on your site, it's unique to your business and it's incorporating those things. So the better this input is, the better that it's going to be when you rewrite things on your page. And so there's some really great examples I've seen so far with this. So if you do try it out, let us know how it goes. All right, so that's the first thing, is go ahead and set up your business description in settings. Once you do so, the personalized rewrite option will use your business description to rewrite. So you can see we also have the same options here. These options will probably evolve over time. If you have suggestions or requests, let us know. Love to hear about it. But let's go ahead and just demonstrate this with a very simple typo here. We've got pull your hire out and I'm going to go ahead and select this here and choose my fixed spelling and grammar, and I'm going to go ahead and rewrite selection. And so you notice that the page becomes grayed out. It's doing its work, going to the AI model, and you'll see that it fixed that typo for me. A very simple one, obviously, but pretty nice if you want to just kind of go through a large chunk of a section or even your full page to fix any spelling and grammar. It's designed to not change the content, the meaning, or anything like that particular model or this option here. So like I said, you can now select like large chunks of this and it will leave all of your formatting and images and everything in place, which is one of the big improvements to this. So I'm going to go ahead and try this again, and let's do simplify here, which is designed to make it easier to read. And so we'll go ahead and hit rewrite selection, and it'll go off and do it. One thing to note is that the longer the text selection that you select, the longer it's going to take. The way these AI model works is they go basically word by word. And so it'll take, if you do a full page, sometimes it'll take a few minutes. So just give it a little bit of time. Okay, we've got our rewrite back, and it has been dramatically simplified. One of the things you could do is open the page before you do this, and so that you can compare it. So let's go ahead and look at this here. The easiest way: need to ditch your house in Atlanta, Georgia. This has been changed to need to sell your house in, Market City, Market State. So it's simplified the language. You can look for this in more detail, but wanted to demonstrate that it left everything, all of my images and layout and everything intact when it did this. And so let's go ahead and choose the personalized option here, and go ahead and do a full page rewrite. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and we've got our rewrite back, and it has now incorporated a lot of the content from the business description into this. And, things like the tone and things like that. If you put that in there, it'll incorporate that into your content. So this is a really great way to, if you're adding new content to your site, if you're starting a new site, to really quickly get personalized content on your site. Obviously, you should still review it and make any adjustments that you need, but we believe this is going to speed you up quite a bit compared to doing this on your own, or even copying and pasting into different AI tools, because it keeps all of the layout and everything exactly the same as it was. I'd love to hear any feedback that you have as you use it. Please reach out to our support team to give any feedback that you have. Love to hear it. Thank you so much, and hope you're having a great day.